When women take care of their health, they become their own best friend. Menstruation and menstrual practices still face many social, cultural, economic, and religious restrictions, which remain a significant barrier in the path of menstrual hygiene management. Women prisoners face significant challenges managing menstrual health in prisons, compromising dignity, health, and rehabilitation. Lack of access to sanitary products, poor sanitation, and stigma exacerbate vulnerability. Project Shakti addresses this gap, providing menstrual hygiene products, education, and dignified facilities, aligning with SDG 6.2. Empowering menstrual health empowers rehabilitation and reintegration with dignity. Under Rule 5 of the UN Rules for the Treatment of Women Prisoners and the Menstrual Hygiene Management Practices and Guidelines issued by UNICEF, India Vision Foundation, and Spark Minda Foundation, have joined hands to bring a paradigm shift in awareness among female inmates about menstrual hygiene. Project Shakti is a joint initiative between India Vision Foundation and Spark Minda Foundation across the prisons of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand to promote menstrual hygiene practices among women inmates in alignment with the Sustainable Development Goals. The objective is to empower, educate, and enable female inmates to manage their menstrual health and hygiene and create awareness about menopause. Project Shakti's first phase installed sanitary napkins, vending machines, and incinerators in 4 Haryana prisons. Phase 2 celebrated Menstrual Hygiene Day, conducted workshops, and provided learning materials across multiple prisons.
सेंट्रल जेल अम्बाला में इंडिया विजन फाउंडेशन और स्पार्क मीडा फाउंडेशन के ज्वाइंट वेंचर से प्रोजेक्ट शक्ति के तहत 2 बार यहाँ पर वर्चुअल एंड फिजिकल 2 वर्कशॉप्स का आयोजन किया गया, जिसके तहत यहाँ पर रहने वाली फीमेल इनमेट्स ने हिस्सा लिया और उसमें जो हमें बताया गया कि माहवारी के दौरान आप कैसे अपनी साफ सफाई रख सकते हैं। आपको जैसे कि पहले बहुत सारी भ्रांतियां थी इस विषय पे कि कुछ ऐसे कि अगर माहवारी के दौरान महिलाओं को धार्मिक स्थानों में जाने की परमिशन नहीं दी जाती थी, आचारों को हाथ नहीं लगाना, किचन में नहीं जाना, इस टाइप की बहुत सारे मिथ से दिमाग में बहुत सारी भ्रांतियां थी, जिनका कि इस वर्कशॉप के बाद से हमें महिलाओं को पता लगा।
Since 2020, the initiative has expanded to 76 prisons across 5 states: Uttar Pradesh 48, Haryana 16, Uttarakhand 9, Delhi 2, and Maharashtra 1. Over 2,68,808 sanitary napkins distributed, impacting 15,782 women with safe hygiene resources and dignity. Project Shakti continues to move forward with the vision of creating informed, healthy, and empowered women, ensuring that menstrual health is recognized as a right, not a privilege.